forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss area of triangle using determinant. Area of triangle. The area of a triangle whose vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is given by sine of area of triangle is this del equal to 1 by 2 x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and in column 3 we write 1. And when we simplify, we get same result. x1 expanding along c1. So we get y2 minus y3. Then minus x2. y1 minus y3. And then x3. We get y1 minus y2. We can also write this formula in this way: 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2, change the order, y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. इस फार्मूला को हमने 10th क्लास और 11th क्लास में डिस्कस किया था. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल हुज वर्टिसेस आर गिवन एंड वी कैन राइट सेम फार्मूला इन फॉर्म ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट, सो वी कैन इजीली रिमेंबर. इसको याद करने में थोड़ी सी दिक्कत आएगी. दिस इज वेरी इजी. x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. रिमार्क्स. सिंस एरिया इज पॉजिटिव क्वांटिटी, सो ऑलवेज टेक पॉजिटिव साइन. इफ एरिया इज गिवन, use both positive or negative values of the determinant for calculation. And if 3 points are collinear, then area of triangle so formed is 0. Let's do some practice questions. Number 1, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are this and this. So first write formula for area of triangle. Formula is x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 1 1 1 and write 1 by 2 also. Except Heron's formula, each formula of area of triangle contain 1 by 2. So please remember 1 by 2 points 1 0 6 0 4, 3, 1, 1, 1. अब now simplify. There are 2 0 in column 2. So expanding along C2. So 1 by 2. Up C2. Plus minus. So minus 0. Then plus 0. Then minus 3. Plus minus plus minus. So minus 3 in bracket 1 minus 6. So 1 by 2, 1 minus 6, minus 5 into minus 3 plus 15. So 15 by 2, 7.5 square unit. Next problem. First find area of triangle ABC. So formula is x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 1 1 1. When 3 points are collinear, if area of triangle is equal to 0, so equal to 1 by 2, write 1 by 2, a b plus c, b c plus a, C A plus B 1 1 1. Next step, in place of C2 write C2 plus C1. So 1 by 2 A B C and this plus this, so a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c and a plus b plus c, 1 1 1. Clearly elements of C2 and C3 are proportional, so value of determinant is 0. Or you can also write in this way, taking common a plus b plus c, then we get a b c 1 1 1 1 1 1. Two columns are identical, so value of determinant is 0. So 1 by 2 a plus b plus c into 0, and give reason since C2 equal to C3, and 1 by 2 this into 0 equal to 0. Area of triangle equal to 0. Therefore A, B, C are collinear. Next problem, find value of k if area of triangle is 4 square unit and its vertices are this and this. Area is given, so take both positive and negative sign. Since area of triangle is equal to 4 square units, so take both sign plus minus 4. Now write 1 by 2 and first tell me the formula. Area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. This is the formula. Don't write formula in between the questions. So 1 by 2 x1 y1 means k0, x2 y2 4 comma 0, x3 y3 0 comma 2, and 1 1 1 equal to plus minus 4. Whenever area is given, take both positive and negative sign. Now simplify. 1 by 2 big bracket expanding along C2 plus minus, so minus 0, then plus 0, then minus 2 plus minus plus minus in bracket k minus 4 equal to plus minus 4 implies a 1 by 2 into this, so 2 or 2 cancel, so minus k minus 4 equal to plus minus 4. Taking plus sign, so minus k plus 4 equal to 4. 4 or 4 cancel, so value of k is 0. Now take minus sign, so minus k plus 4 is equal to minus 4. So minus k equal to minus 8, so value of k is plus 8. Next problem, find equation of line joining points 1, 2 and 3, 6. We have to find equation of lines and joining points these two, means passes through point 1, 2 and 3, 6. Up to find equation of line, we have to take any point on this line. Let P x, y P x, y be any point on the line, and then find relation between x and y. Relation between x, y is known as इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन. सो हमको आपको रिलेशन निकालना है. अब P lies on line means these 3 points are collinear. Therefore A, P, B are collinear, and 3 points are collinear, then area of triangle equal to 0. So area of triangle equal to 0. So 1 by 2 x1 y1 1 2 x y 3 6 1 1 1 equal to 0, and here write the formula. Area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. Now simplify. Next step, 1 by 2 in bracket 1 or in bracket y minus 6 minus 2 in bracket x minus 3. Then take 1 in bracket 6x minus 3y is equal to 0. More simplify, y minus 6 minus 2x plus 6 plus 6x minus 3y equal to 0. More simplify, minus 2x or 6x, 4x, minus 6 or plus 6 cancel, minus 3y or plus y, minus 2y is equal to 0. Multiply by 1 by 2 into 4x, 2x minus y equal to 0, or we can also write y equal to 2x or 2x equal to y. In next lecture, we will discuss minors and cofactors of matrix and determinant. Thank you. Have a nice day.